All right, fish on. 10 seconds ago. Hey, cho nữ có lose me up. Jacob, just play with him or her. À, tụi tao nói. All right, we're here. We got here. What, 30 minutes?
Yep. Good one.
Big one?
Yep.
Okay, just right here. Jump! Oh, yeah! Hey, throw key up. Drag, yeah, let it drag. Ooh, yes. Keeper. Look, how much line?
Look at it.
Shit. That's the ugly stick.
Yep, with the Shimano bait running.
Oh, có cho lùa chuyện hỏi à. It's okay.
Phải được luôn rồi nè.
Ồ, vừa quá.
Keeper. All right, 50 almost 60. 50 something.
50 something.
Hey, drop it on like a loose one.
The small one? I think over this way, so you could come over. Yeah. Maybe we'll fight them, huh? There you go. That's with what? Eel?
Yep, straight eel.
Where you go so far?
You have to go, he's going that way.
Lọt lên khả năng mà. Oh, it's still going? Shit. Okay, tight your drag before your line all gone.
Yeah, kinda he's gonna break it.
Cho nó có tight tao mà. Tight line. Oversize. Cũng chạy over rồi hiện đấy là.
Shit, come on.
Tighter. You need tight gì?
Look at it, line's done.
I know. Drag. Oh shit!
Fuck!
Better luck next time. Man, your line's almost gone.
Fuck! Anh tưởng you to chỗ.
Yeah.
Fucking fat one.
Yeah, we fought only for 4 minutes.
God damn!
It's okay, next time.
My leader snapped.
Yeah. What size leader? Do you use my 60-pound?
Fucking 80.
What? Okay. Where your waist?
Leader snap.
Sure you tie good?
Yeah. Hook broke, see?
What line is this? Is this my leader?
No, that's Rick's.
80?
Yeah, 80.
You sure that's 80?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think new No more car by any chance? Okay.
Oh my god.
Sao tôi chưa có limit tụi nó vậy có chỉ tao nụ ở xuống nó này. Look at that way.